Every year in America, over 2 million snakes enter facilities like this, not for research.
Monitor the gauges closely. We must adhere strictly to the protocol to ensure ethical processing.
Two million snake skeletons processed annually in U.S. facilities. $180 million traditional medicine market.
Years of traditional Chinese medicine, documenting snake skeleton use. Claim
This one has the full rattle, premium grade.
Confirmed. Moving to the high value tray.
The magnified examination shows no imperfections. This specimen is approved.
Fine grinding, emptying, powder creation.
Chemical analysis revealing 35% calcium content, 18% phosphorus, 25% collagen-derived proteins.
$2 per skeleton raw, $15 per pound processed powder. Retail bottle of 90 capsules, selling for $40.
The snake skeleton capsules are being processed according to the latest FDA guidelines. Check the expiration date alignment.
These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.
Traditional Chinese medicine shops, health food stores, Amazon bestsellers, snake skeleton supplements, crossing cultural boundaries.
We use the snake bone to dispel dampness and strengthen the kidneys.
Start with a small dosage, perhaps 3 grams.
My joints feel incredible. I'm back on the court.
This honors a long family tradition of wellness.
It's a powerful alternative approach. I feel healthier than ever before.
Look at the chromatogram for the fraction we isolated yesterday. The peak is remarkably pure. Let's proceed with the bioassay.
The claims may be traditional, but the manufacturing is cutting edge. Snake skeleton supplements, where ancient wisdom meets modern safety standards.